Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be dyeing my hair blue and purple. You might be thinking, your hair is already purple. As a matter of fact, yes it is. This is Transylvania by Arctic Fox. Their black hair dye faded. It fades to a nice purple, obviously because it is a cool toned black. I will be touching it up at the roots, however, because as you can see right where it was bleach blonde, it is turning a little bit greenish and kind of bluish. So I'm going to mix together a nice warm toned purple using Manic Panic's Ultraviolet and one of their reds. I'm not really sure yet. I have Red Passion, I have Infrared, and I have Fuchsia Shock with me today. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. Probably Infrared if I'm being honest, but yeah. So for my front part, that is what I'm going to be doing blue. I'm going to first put some of Lunar Tide's Blue Velvet on my root area because I am getting some regrowth in and I don't want there to be any like weird contrast between the light blue and my dark roots. So I'm going to do that up there, and then I'm going to use Manic Panic's Atomic Turquoise. I might dilute it a little bit to make it a little brighter, I'm not sure, but I'm going to do that on the rest of my front area. So without further ado, let's just get started. I'm actually pretty surprised that my green hasn't turned any weird, gross colors because after a while I stopped washing my two different colors separately. I just wash them together now, but they hold up pretty well. Even though the black purple color is still fading a little bit, so it does come out when I wash it still. There's nothing too crazy. I have sectioned off our areas, and now I'm going to just work with Blue Velvet and my root area. You know what? I'm going to mix in a little bit of Atomic Turquoise in with this Blue Velvet just because I want to make sure that they're going to blend seamlessly together. Okay, all of the Blue Velvet is on. Now I'm going to switch to Atomic Turquoise. So I poured out some of the Atomic Turquoise and I'm going to dilute it with a little bit of my Tresemme Color Protectant White Conditioner. Alright, and I'm going to use this on the rest of my hair. I'm going to go clean off my forehead and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got the majority of the blue off of my face, so now let's get started on the purple. So here we go. We're going to put in some of the Ultraviolet by Manic Panic. Look at this. How am I supposed to open this? Why did I do this to myself? I usually take the lids off, but they're so difficult to take off. So I guess I just didn't take this off ever. Now it's just like filled with dye all on top. And I can't wipe it off because it's just barely wide enough. Ugh. So I'm going to mix in Fuchsia Shock by Manic Panic to make it a little bit more of a warmer purple because, like I said, it is very cool up at my roots right now. So let's blend in half of this and see how we like it. Alright, this is a beautiful purple. This is perfect. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to let this sit and I will be right back in an hour with the finished look. So here's my hair all complete. I hope you like the results as much as I do. Be sure to follow my Instagram so you never miss out on a look. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload. And Happy New Year! See you in the next video.